Hello. Hello.
Oh my god.
What's a picture? Happy birthday.
She said that she wanted to focus on her work though. Jasmine.
Hey, Dad.
Oh, come on. Would you start recording people who don't want to be recorded?
Just wanted to see where Jared was. I want to speak to him.
Yo.
What's up, man? Happy birthday.
See, I said happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So what do you, my brother?
Happy birthday.
Everybody's saying happy birthday to you.
Whose birthday is it?
My brother.
Who?
My brother.
Happy birthday, man.
Oh my god. Okay. So what are you doing today?
Huh?
He's singing happy birthday.
Nothing.
You
What do you mean
failed.
nothing? It's your birthday. You have to do something.
You fail. Failure.
Eating?
You're a turd. And
Oh.
Fail. If
I
you're
have to
watching
take
that
you
video,
out
see
somewhere.
officially
I don't know
failed.
where, but we have to go somewhere.
what are you talking about? What video?
I don't know. We need to go partying.
Who do you think you are? Barack Obama?
Word.
That's a deal. We're gonna go party.